Okay, hap for hap around the house. We've got a loose toilet seat. Check that baby out. And this thing also tends to guillotine on you when you put it up. If you're not careful, it'll come down and smack you where you don't want to get smacked. So what we're going to do, we're going to tighten it up, and I'm just using, what is this thing? This is a gear wrench. You can tell it's well used. I made a little container for it because the container it comes with just breaks to pieces. So anyways, this happens to be a 1/2 inch socket, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tighten this down. Don't tighten it down tight enough to bust the bolts, and feel so that it meets the contour of the toilet, and it does. And we're going to want to move this forward as much as we can. That feels like that's about as forward as I'm going to get it. So we're going to obviously tighten this. We're going to go on this side, it's easier. And underneath, you've got different style of nuts. This one just happens to be, I'll show you after I get done tightening it, what it looks like underneath there. So we're going to tighten it just a little bit, and we're going to hold it with one hand, and we're going to tighten it with the other hand, just like this. Now don't break the bolt, it's plastic. Don't strip the bolt, it's plastic. That's tighter. Same with this. See if we can. See here. That one feels pretty doggone tight, actually. So let's not go crazy. Okay, that's tight. Now, the whole idea here is to tighten it just enough that it won't move on you. That's pretty good. And then close these up, and I'll show you what it looks like underneath. Hang on. There it is. See that? This little tab I was holding on to while I was tightening it. And I tightened it just enough so that it won't break. And all this black mold stuff, you can get underneath there and clean it if you want. I'm not messing with it. All right, let's see if it's still a guillotine. Nope. Oh, that's pretty close though. But there's only so much you can do sometimes with toilet seats. Hap for hap around the house. If you liked the video, consider subscribing. Hit the like button. Thanks for watching. See you next time.